Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by syncing and organizing, so enable iCloud for notes across your devices and confirm synchronization. Next, create a small folder hierarchy: work, personal, reference, and use a consistent naming pattern to find things fast. Add a couple of sample notes with attachments like PDFs or photos to test behavior. Enable note locking for sensitive items, and set up quick note gestures on iPad or Mac so you can capture ideas instantly. Once done, you'll have a working, connected baseline. Now refine organization. Apply tags to notes and build smart folders that surface related items automatically, which makes retrieval instant. Use headings, checklists, and simple tables to turn notes into actionable documents. Sketches and scans add visual context. Leverage search operators like file type and date to pinpoint content quickly, and connect notes with reminders and Siri for time-based follow-ups. Share notes with collaborators and set edit versus view permissions so everyone stays in sync while you keep control. To finish, archive or consolidate older notes and export critical documents to PDF so you preserve stable copies. Regularly back up your device and verify iCloud backups include notes, which prevents accidental loss. For ongoing maintenance, audit tags and folders monthly to avoid clutter. If syncing problems arise, sign out and back into iCloud, toggle notes off and on, and force a manual sync. Make sure you're on the same Apple ID and have sufficient iCloud storage. This single check solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.